I'm going to be setting up and decorating my new room up next on Gifted Guzman. Alright, so far I'm just like moving some furniture around, putting things where I think I want them. I'm going to try to lay out these desks right now. So I have this Tangle O desks that I'm going to try to turn into kind of like tables. So that's what I'm going to try right now, and then we'll see what that looks like in just a minute. Alright, so phase one of put my room together is starting to come together. Got a gaming station, a building station, that's going to be the science, social studies, and ELA station. I put all the desks together. I've got hubby down on the floor over there, and he's stuck. I crammed him in the corner. He's helping me take things apart and do things. And then this will be the creativity station once I'm all done. Okay, so it's the end of day one. We got here around 9:15 and it's like 1:30, so we've got to go home and get some things done. But I'll show you what I was able to do so far. Okay. Alright, so they brought me this bookcase, and I have some of my word games and a few books out so far. I have a lot of books still. And then we are the Black Knights, so I have my knight stuff over there. Over here I still have a bunch of like boxes and everything kind of stacked up, but eventually this is going to be my science station. So I put a couple of my science posters up for now. I'm going to put a few more up and organize this station, but I just haven't gotten there yet. I have this really nice long bulletin board, which I love, and I just haven't gotten to it yet, but I do have stuff to make it colorful and superhero-y, because as you can see I put up my Justice League poster and my little pennants next to there, and I might do another poster. I'm gonna maybe go look at Five Below or something this weekend. So this little thing is new, not new to here, but new to my classroom. I usually have it at my house, but we're kind of redecorating, and so I'm changing things around. So that's gonna have some of the creativity stuff in it. And then as you can see over here, I have all these cubbies, and I have a lot of creativity stuff for my GT kids. We do a lot of painting and creating little sculptures and things, and I have foam and scissors, and as you can see, all kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm probably gonna leave some of the cubby space at the end for them to turn in work. So that is still gonna be a lot. But I do have a little like creativity poster there, and I'll probably do a couple of other little creativity things. And then I have a poster that just lets them know how much I care about them and that my room is a safe space, so they're allowed to be themselves and be whoever they are, and we're allowed to agree to disagree. So that's what I have there. I threw my lights up on my whiteboard over here in my little area just to see what they look like. So they're not doing well. As you can see, they're sliding off because I need to bring something to tack them up with, but I just wanted to see if they would reach. So that's going to be there. I have all of that stuff to go through. That's my color printer, and that's a bunch of my stuff, and that's my standing desk that I got at Costco. And this used to be a little nightstand, and I took it apart and painted it, and it really needs to be kind of zhuzhed up a little bit, but I haven't gotten there so far. And then this is my whole closet, which as you can see, I've kind of just like shoved stuff in it. So I'm going to get to that eventually. Alright, and then when you come out of my closet, obviously Ninja Turtles, and then my husband, but he's not going to be part of my room forever. But he did come and help me like move some things. And so here's where I have all the chess and checkers and Mancala type games. And then if we look on the other side of my husband, we have some more games. So all different kinds of games. The kids really like to play games, and it's really good for them to socialize and then to learn some of those problem solving skills. And then next to that I have my building station. So I have Lego, I have QB Maze, I have magnetic blocks that somebody got me on a wish list a while ago, and I have contraptions. And then obviously you have to have the Minecraft poster when you're in middle school. And then I have some Squishmallows and stuff that I haven't put out quite yet. And then the last thing is just like you can see all of my desks. So I put them together to make them kind of like tabletops, because in GT we do a lot of group stuff. So that's all the desks for the kids. It takes up a lot of the space, but I think they're going to come take a few out for me because my biggest class is 27, and I'm also going to be getting flexible seating soon. So that's what I have so far. All right, so that's it for day one of like trying to decorate my room. It takes a long time for me because I like it a certain way, and I'm like in here all the time, and it's kind of my home away from home, and I want it to be a homey place for the kids as well. So I do put a lot of time and effort into decorating it and making it nice. So when I'm all done, you'll get the final video and you get the final review.